Hello guys, I have this custom 3D print and it's become problem for me with this display. When I connect my board to the laptop, is the display working well? So I want to show. First I connect to my laptop and see the display. First I connect to the laptop and after I connect, this display working very well. And when I want to connect this board to this power, it's 12 voltage power, it's not working well. Okay, I want to connect the power. First I disconnect the laptop, then I connect it to the power. When I connect it to the power, I have this problem. So okay, we want to solve this problem together, and I want to say the cause of this problem. We have this Arduino Mega board and this ramp 1.6 version, and for solve this problem we should first I want to show what is the problem of us this optocoupler. We should cut it from the circuit. For this we should remove this diode. It's D1. We should remove this diode, and for continue we should use a module. It's this module. We should use this module. It's LM2596H VS module. It's we want to decrease the voltage from power. Our power is 12, and we want to increase it to 5 volts. When we use directly power to this board, because of this optocoupler, we don't have enough current for this circuit. For this we use this module. So first we connect our power. This socket, this power socket is negative and positive. We should connect first this negative on this negative input, positive this positive input, and after that we should connect this output. First we should set this on 5 voltage. I will show you how to do this. Okay, after we connect wire in input and output, it's the positive, it's the negative. First I connect 12 voltage to circuit, and we should check it. After I connect it, I should check the voltage of output with multimeter, and it's like 11. Okay, we should check it. Until I okay, it's good. Now it's 5. Input is 12, output is 5. So okay, go to connect to this board, the output. For connecting to output, we should connect on these pins. In back of this pin, when you watch, it's in end line, all of this is positive and middle is negative, and we should connect this negative to middle and this positive to end of this, and we should do it. Okay guys, after we connect this module output to this place, is positive and negative. It's negative is positive, but after you connect it, you should check this is don't be connect together too. And for next, we should remove this diode is D1. We should remove it from the circuit. Okay, I do it. I remove this D1 from this circuit, and if you don't have this module, you can use this circuit I put here. You can use it together. You can use it if you don't have this module, but this module is better than this circuit because it's this circuit maybe it's become hot or have another problem, but this module don't have like this. Okay, after we did this work, we go to install it on the printer and the 3D printer and watch the result. Okay guys, after we connect this module and connect the all wires, now we check the display. it's working now, because voltage is no good for working display and working this and stop motors.